What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV. We're in the Amalfi Coast, just south of Naples, north of Sorrento, and we're going to walk around Amalfi here, this town. And what a heck of a drive that was to get over here. I mean, really, that road. If you've been subscribed to this channel, you know that we've done a video about the road to Hana. I mean, this road is more intense than Hana. Same kind of deal. It's not as tropical, but it's very green. Goes through more towns, so there's more congestion, more cars. And getting out here is amazing. And the will of the drivers is strong. Like, it's special. So seems like the best way to get around is in a small car or in a moped, or just take the bus. If you're trying to bring a big old rental car down here, you're going to be challenging yourself. So anyway, if you guys enjoy videos like this, if you can please like the video, that helps get these videos out there to other people who are looking for it. And yeah. So this kind of reminds me of Cinque Terre, which I haven't done my video on Cinque Terre yet. I must get to that. Who knows, maybe by the time this is published, both of them will have already been up. Also, guys, I'm starting to post a lot on Island Hopper TV on Instagram and on Twitter. So I really like Twitter now. I also like Instagram. Facebook, so-so, but I'm mostly posting on Instagram and Twitter, along with YouTube. So let's keep cruising here. Here's one of these kind of buses you take. Statue of somebody. Let's see if we can get across the street here. I don't even know if that was legal that I just did right there. No crosswalk. Alright. People are friendly. They'll let you go. People don't get too irate either. I mean, they all understand that the roads are congested and tiny. Here we go, look at these paintings. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my God, what is that? Look at that. That's a heck of a church. What an amazing church. In fact, I'm going to have to do a video of that for Island Hopper TV, actually, on Instagram. There's my little video of that. Gelato. Busy, man. Considering how difficult it is to get here, there's a lot of people. I mean, this is more people than After I post this, I'm gonna make a video about the drive over here. I filmed a bunch of that. So at some point, check in the comments, see if I've posted a link to the drive, just in case you want to know what it looks like to get here by the bus. Down the road here is Positano, which I don't think I'm going to be making it to. I'll have to come back and get that. Those bells are 7 o'clock. Or 6 o'clock? No, 7 o'clock. So we're walking through this valley here. Canyon or a valley. It's more like a canyon than a valley, but they were calling them valleys. No driving cars through here. Only foot traffic. And maybe a couple delivery trucks. There's only enough room for one way though. One-way traffic around here. Oh wow, look at it. You do have cars. This must be a one-way street. I spoke too soon. Look at all this food, guys. Man, those bells still going off. Oh, look at that. Fishing pool. I don't even know what's all the way back here, but I'll keep pushing. See if you guys said you wanted longer videos, so I'll deliver. You also said that you didn't like how someone said they didn't like how the videos end kind of abruptly, so it's just with these walking tours, once it starts to not get as interesting, I just stop it. Plus I only have so much memory card. Like right now I don't know where we're going, but we're pushing pretty deep into Amalfi, into the canyon. Oh, look at this. It's kind of worth it though. It's cool. I have to take an Instagram for that. Look at that. A little miniature scale. Wow. This place goes deep into the valley. Let's see, what do we got in here? Valle de Ferrari, Malini, Misio. Huh. Should I try to go up that hill? See, these mopeds are the way to go. Maxwell Hill. See where that goes. Whoa. Look at that. I'm telling you, Italian architecture is something else. I mean, they conquered some serious stuff with these architecture marvels. Right? See, I don't know where we're going. I like to think we're going to a view. If you're bored and this video goes longer, feel free to fast forward towards the point or just hang in there and watch. Chocolate covered squid. Chocolate covered squid, that's what that was. Wow, look at that mark. Hi, lemon juice?
Yes, yes.
Can I try one?
Sorry?
Can I have one?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
I have two sizes, little and big. Would you like? Little €4, big €6.
Little. Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Little ice inside?
Thank you.
Welcome. This is for you.
All right. Thank you. Very tart. Here's a nice little street. Let's see. I don't want to film these people while they're eating, so I'll just scope it out just real quick. That's a B&B. Oh, cool. Talk about tart.
What? I'm a
Oh my goodness, what in the world is this place? Amazing. I bet during Christmas this place really lights up.
You can read Arabic. Alla fine del pontino. Sotto.
What is this? Redenza. Suppose I could try to walk here. Don't really know. what is up here. It's kind of dark. Let us see, which is this way. B&B's. Oh, okay.